Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may answer some questions you may have or clear some doubts about your circumstances. So stay tuned for that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Gemini, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have the Devil, Abbess of Stars, and Seven of Spheres in reverse. So in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is trying to do certain things. Maybe you are trying to change your situation, and maybe in your circumstance it may be your energy or someone's energy. It may be your obsession towards something, or it may be the person you love. They may have some obsessed desires, something they want to achieve or do, and they are moving towards that goal or dream, doing their best or trying to achieve by any means possible, and it is simply hurting you. You are worried for them. It may be your situation in your work. You may have someone obsessed to that level, or it may be this person you love in this relationship. So this person has some obsessed goals or obsessive thoughts. They want to achieve certain things. They are moving towards that. And no matter how you are trying to bring them down to reality, advising them, giving them suggestions, they are not someone to listen. So this person is not listening to you, or they are not ready to listen to anyone. So it may be your energy. Maybe you are the one here trying to help them. You are the one here who is experienced, knowledgeable, trying to help this other person. Or it may be vice versa. Situation may be vice versa. Maybe they are trying to help you and you are not willing to listen to any of their advice or suggestions. That may be the reason for things going in a wrong way. And you need to, stay really focused. If it is your obsessions you are trying to control, you need to be really focused. Give up all your anxiety, whatever is pushing you towards whatever expectations you have. Maybe you are desperate to achieve something. You are desperate to make this person understand your love, or desperate to do something, but you are trying to do everything quickly. That is not going to work, Gemini, because you need time to do something. So your desperation is only going to make you worried. So if you can just hold on, wait, be patient a little longer, situation will change and things will fall into place. So you need to, if you want the right solution, Gemini, you need to take a deep breath and wait till circumstances are changing. So your obsessive action or your obsessive thoughts or worries are not going to help you in any way today. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Three of Spheres. So there are people here ready to help you. You have friends, family members, or this person you love willing to help you, who are wishing well for you, who are truly concerned about you. So all you need to do is just let them help you. Let whatever suggestions they are giving you, you need to just accept their advice, let them support you in whatever way they can, and it is going to help you. And if you do that, you are going to change, your reputation will grow. So if you want a beautiful change in your situation, you need to think for yourself what is the right thing and see what is the truth in their advice or whatever your friends or family they are here to tell you today. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. We picked one card and it is Apprentice of Spheres. So in your career, there is some good news, some message coming in your life, something that is going to make you very happy, and you are going to see good changes, good offers in your situation. And again, this card is asking you to listen to people in your work, maybe your colleagues or mentor. They are trying to tell you something regarding your career situation. So you can listen to whatever they need. They are here to suggest you, Gemini. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. So this is the first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, I will keep this second card aside. We will see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So it means that in your circumstances, you are the target of jealousy. There are people against you, people who are very much jealous of you, and their intentions are not good. Maybe they are trying to tempt you with some offers in your life, tempting you into some difficult circumstance. And maybe these offers may look like something beautiful, something amazing. But if you fall for your temptation, you are going to face many difficulties. But even if you have fallen for some temptation today, you need not fear these circumstances. Because this experience is going to help you. It is going to give you more knowledge. It is going to give you wisdom. And the pain you will go through today in this situation because you have fallen for this temptation, is going to lead you into a beautiful journey where you are going to grow emotionally, you are going to grow spiritually, and you will be able to see your circumstances with more clarity, with more knowledge. So you need not feel sad or stressed, though you are fallen for this temptation, or you have fallen for this temptation. And you will succeed. You will come out much better person tomorrow, much better person in your life. But you need to believe in yourself, and maybe present circumstances are not good, but still you are going to see beautiful changes very soon, starting from now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have Seriphos Green Quartz. This is a very beautiful and a rare quartz, guys. And with this quartz, the energy is that maybe you are pushing yourself to achieve something, pushing yourself to see some changes in your life. But today, you are left with no desire to march on towards your expectations, but ready to accept what is coming towards you in your life, what is coming towards you in your circumstances. So this moment should be experienced just as it is, because this moment is going to bring clarity in your relationship. So being honest with certain things you can change, and certain things where you are powerless to change, you need to accept it as it is. When you do that, it is a big step taking you towards what you desire and what you deserve. So be present. If you are feeling sad, let it be. Experience that pain, go through all that, whatever comes in your life, because you are in for something bigger. Some bigger picture is unfolding in your life, and this picture is something you never imagined and you can never imagine. So universe is coming with a blessing towards you. Maybe you are going through a lot of pain today, but this situation is absolutely necessary for what is coming in your life in your future. So that is the energy here. So there is no need or no use to change your present circumstance. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all today. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.